Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to unbox the HP laptop. So let's get started. So in the box we get a manual set, some instructions. So also we get a charger set, a cable, and this is an adapter. So this is an adapter of 65 watt which is really good and the laptop charges fastly. So friends, the name of this laptop is HP 250G8. It actually comes with 4 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, but I have chose to upgrade and it has cost me rupees 45,700 rupees, and this laptop actually is 8 GB RAM with 512 GB SSD with no graphics, and the processor is of Core i3 processor, Windows 10, MS Office with 64-bit operating system. Now let me open the laptop. You get 15.6-inch Full HD display. This is not a backlit keyboard. You get a face cam. Now look at the texture of this laptop. The build quality is very nice, and this texture is actually very nice to touch, and you get the front firing speaker, so it has a very good sound system. So now let me boot this laptop. This is the power on off button here. The quality of this laptop's display is quite very good, and this is very fast, and the mouse pad is very smooth and easy. Headphone jack, HDMI ports and USB-C type port, charging point and normal USB ports. 3D animations can also be done in this laptop. This laptop also has a calculator which has scientific calculator, normal calculator, programmer calculator, date calculation, currency conversion, weight. So many features are there in this calculator. This laptop also has a feature by which you can connect your mobile phone to the laptop, and you can access notification, messages, photos, calls from the laptop. You can also call from the laptop. It has also contacts list, so it is a very good feature which I see in this laptop. And also the you can control the battery performance in this laptop. This has the night mode feature and also with the latest Bluetooth connectivity feature. So you guys can see the device specifications here. The laptop's name, as I have told earlier, HP 250G8 notebook PC, and the processor Core i3 1.20 gigahertz, and installed RAM is 8 GB, which I have chose to upgrade, and 64-bit operating system. And this is not screen touch display. And as you guys can see, the edition is Windows 10 Home single language. And also this laptop comes with McAfee 1 year protection. The display resolution is 1920 into 1080. This laptop also has the tablet mode, and you can do the multitasking, and you can do projecting with the help of this. Well, it's a very good laptop. As I am a law student, I have more about browsing and researching and using the MS Office 365. So this is a very good laptop for the law students. And the reason why I have chose the i3 processor is because there are three processors at right now in the market. Those are i3, i5 and i7. i7 is very advanced, and that's recommended for the graphical use, such as the engineering students who AutoCAD, who work more, who have more graphical work. So I don't have much graphical work, so I have uh, picked up this i3 processor. And this is of 512 GB SSD. This laptop doesn't have 1 TB hard disk, and if the uh, space problem comes, then we can get an additional 1 TB hard disk, so that's not a very much problem. The earlier laptop which I used was of the company HP, and it also had the i3 core processor, and this also has the same. But the processing speed of this laptop is quite different from that, because it has 512 GB SSD, while the my old one had 1 TB hard disk. So now the generation has changed, and the software is also upgraded, so this offers me a fast experience, and also it boots very fast, and it is very comfortable to use. So this is a very good laptop. So friends, this is about today's video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.